Where are my girls? Where's Isabel?
Where's Isabel?
Oh,
my
boo!
goodness.
Oh, hello. Can you open the door and show me what's inside?
Who's inside?
Nothing? Oh, I see a Zoe inside. Where's Zoe?
There's Zoe.
Oh, hello, girls. Hi. You're camping. Okay, you're camping. Good job. Okay, next time when we buy it home, you can have food. Okay. Oh, where's Isabel? Oh, hello, Isabel. Can you show me how do you go inside? How do you hide inside? Oh, I see an egg. I see a cocoon.
Egg.
But where is Isabel though?
Is there a caterpillar
Knock,
inside?
knock, knock.
Is there a butterfly
Knock,
inside?
knock, knock. Anybody
Hello?
inside?
Wakey, wakey.
Oh, I can see some legs. Oh, I
who's
see a
coming
little
out?
hand.
Is there a butterfly coming out?
Who's inside? Show me. Anybody
Ethan,
inside?
Ethan, who is it? It's Zoe, isn't it? Is it Zoe
Yeah, it must be
inside?
Zoe.
It must be Zoe.
Zoe.
Come
Oh,
on,
it's
Zoe.
Izzy.
Oh no, it's Isabel.
You make it go? Stop. Okay, put it back. We still need to buy all these lights and the lamps for your rooms. Oh, who's here? Are these two princesses? Or raw? You got dinosaur? Okay. Hello, princess. So you went to the bed, asked Daddy to read her book.
Van jak smut als dit voor het met het liquor. What a great movie. Moderne battles in Modota.
What are you doing, Zoe? Clock? Yes, there's a clock. You're right, clock. Bless you. Okay, let's go. Stop lying down there. Get up, Zoe. And Daddy. Up, up, up.